me hanging out on the train. This looks a bit dangerous, doesn't it? Somebody told me about Casablanca. It's like on the seaside of Africa. The train takes about 2.5 hours. Oh, it's a lovely train station, isn't it? That big clock. Tickets? Tickets? Oh yeah, thank you. I did learn, salam means hi. And then, I forgot how you say thank you. It sounds like shake your hand or something. Shake your hand, shake your hand.
Casablanca at 11:50.
Yeah. Is it first class?
First class?
Yeah.
Just one ticket.
Yeah, can I sit? Yeah, sit next to window.
Next to windows.
Yeah.
Back and forth.
Yeah, return. 3:30. Well, that's perfect. Thank you very much. Oh, well, that were well easy, wasn't it? And it only cost like 330. That's for first class, and I think that translates in English pounds to about 30 quid. What's going on here? Oh, thank you. Sorry. He said he's holding the door for me. Oh no, she's in my seat.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get in this. Oh, you get a table. Perfect. This is all I need. Having a little French party.
Alright, go ahead.
Thank you. What, are you doing some work?
Yes, I'm working.
Nice. Oh,
Yeah.
would have been nice. You're all right on there, aren't you?
I'm
You
fine.
lost, yeah,
I'm
yeah.
fine, yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
I just need to move this back.
Oh, you want to move it?
Well, maybe, yeah. Looks a bit rude.
Okay.
Right.
I know.
We're
I
off.
should come over when Christmas there. And at that time, like, it's nice because that's your summer right now. Yeah. And where is Mama? They say hi to her for me. Useful. It's small.
Yeah, small. And you can, like, when you push that button, it turns around.
Oh.
See other people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you blog?
Yeah.
You have a blog. What's the name of it? You travel? Is it a travel blog?
Yeah, it's travel blog. Currently travelling. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's a good shot. Train friends. Well, it were a very comfy ride. I'd been on train for over an hour and a half before we pulled into the first station at Satat, and I realised I should probably get up at this point and explore the train. We're off again. Not a door on this train. There's no door on this train. How are you supposed to open the toilet lid here? This thing won't close. I'm gonna have to piss in the sink, aren't I? Is that? Right. Oh, there we go. Thought I'd better come through and just have a look at a standard carriage, but to be honest, it's probably better in here. It's only two together. There's not wrong with this. I thought standard would be well more grottier than this. This is actually fine. Oh, this looks pretty rough, actually. Yeah, I don't want to be in them seats. Coming to close the door now. Well, it looks like you weren't supposed to hang out at a train. Better go sit back down. Right, we've arrived. See you later. Nice to see you. They were a friendly bunch. It absolutely stunk of cumin on that train. She bought some cumin because it's like 3 times cheaper to buy it here than it is in Senegal. But I don't want to eat any food with any cumin in for a long time. It absolutely stunk, honestly. I went, have you had some cumin or something? She went, oh, you've got a good nose. Oh, like, you can't even fucking breathe. Nice train station. She's here. The cumin, baby. See you later. Time to get a taxi and find out where this apartment is. I asked the guy on Airbnb and he said that it should be about £4 for a taxi. He also said that you can use the meter, but I haven't seen a meter in any taxi that I've been in recently. Oh, wish me luck. The guys are waiting for me here. Taxi, taxi, taxi. Oh, I thought you might be taxi. Official taxi. How much here to this Hotel Meliba? How much?
How much? You want to share the taxi or you want to go just alone?
I'll share it.
No?
I'll share it. I'm not in a rush. No, I said how. It don't mean that you... Just forget it. You didn't say a price, so it don't matter.
So you want a price?
No, well, if I'm getting a taxi, you want to know the price, don't you? It don't matter. I'm not getting in a taxi with you. Look, you wouldn't tell me a price, so it's not possible.
How much you want to pay?
I want to pay 30. 30.
You want to go free? Oh, you use your camera here.
Yeah, 30.
Which here? Okay.
30. Oh, 30. Yeah, 30.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, Melville.
You know this
Yes,
place.
yes, yes,
Oh,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah,
50 dirham, 50.
No, 30. 30. God. 30. We said 30.
This is na casa voyageur, this is na casa pop.
What are you talking about? It's okay.
How much pay? How much pay?
30.
Huh?
30. 30. 30.
50.
No, I'm saying 3. 1, 2, 3.
Where, my friend?
To this place here. To the mosque.
To the mosque?
Yeah.
Hotel or only the mosque?
Yeah, next to the Hotel Meliba.
Hotel
Yeah.
Melville. Okay. You
30.
want to go alone?
I can go with whoever.
Huh?
Together is okay.
See, my friend, you are in the wrong train station. They don't know. They think it's the other Melville because there is another Melville.
No, next to the mosque. Hassan Mosque
Next
too.
to the mosque, it costs about 50 dirham to get there, my friend.
50, yeah. I'll walk then. It's alright, I'll walk. Well, right, let's go. 40, there we go. Good deal. I had 40. I've got 40 in my hand, ready. 40. 40 is perfect.
This is a camera.
Yeah, and what? I'm on holiday.
Me.
Me and you. Hey!
Yes.
Been about 10 people. Which taxi is it? Are these debating about price? Which taxi is it? This one? Where's
the camera.
Oh. No camera, no filming. Picking someone else up now. Oh, it's a couple of Chinese guys.
25 66 66 و 25
Alright. 你们说的是什么方言？
什么方言？福建的。
福建的。哦。
你是哪里的？
英国的。
啊？
英国的。
English 英国的。
English 呀。
你有去过中国吗？
啊，对，我之前住在江苏南通。
在江苏南通读书啊。
对。再见。
再见。
再见。很高兴认识你。
对啊，没关系，我们可以用微信联系。
啊，好的，好的，好的，再见。
下车了啊。
好，再见，再见。啊，啊，好的，好的，好的，好的，好，好，好，好，再见。Have a nice time. See you later. It warmed up to me after we met them Chinese people. Right, let's get checked in. Hiya, you alright?
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. 5th floor. Right, let's go check this room out.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah. Oh, lovely. There's a little bar as well. Oh my god, this is massive. Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, we've even got some traditional music on. Yes, I'll take this. Oh, it's lovely, is this apartment? It's £70 for the night. That includes cleaning. Oh yeah, definitely. She's still pottering about. I don't know what she's doing. She's like, "Are you going? Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye." She was proper funny. She went, "Are you going to film the kitchen?" Like, well, yeah, I guess. Like, oh, I can't film the kitchen. Right. Oh. Nice little courtyard area. Yeah, nice. Oh, and there's even a, what's it called? A baby cot. And an ensuite bathroom. I'm sure I've already seen a shower. Yeah. Let me get my head around that. Oh yeah, there's one here too. Well, I'm gonna have a nice evening. See ya!
Let's see Moroccan is good like you, inshallah. What's your name?
Luke.
Yeah, Luke, you?
Yeah, Luke.
Good luck, Luke. Good luck for happy life.
Oh, nice. It's on me now.